Here we've got some pink oyster. We're about to do a 5-gallon bucket grow. I'm doing this to get ready for a farmer's market. I'm sterilizing the outside of the bucket as well as the inside here. You'll see that there's multiple holes all drilled through the bucket. That's where the mushrooms are going to grow out of. You will want to be sure to sterilize your lid as well. Don't forget that. I'm going to take some micropore tape and close up all the holes in the bucket. That way when we fill up the bucket, a bunch of stuff doesn't fall out. But the main reason is to keep contamination from getting inside the bucket. We don't want germs, spores, open air getting to the bucket until everything has been completely colonized 100%. Be sure to put gloves on and be sure to sterilize them as well. You won't see me sterilize them in the video, but I did sterilize them. Be sure, so what we've got here is some straw, chopped straw. It's been pasteurized, and what we're going to do is we're going to layer our grain spawn and our straw kind of like a lasagna all the way through the bucket, just one on top of the other. Be sure to wring out any excess moisture out of your straw. That way you don't get too much water in there and have to deal with wet rot, because you'll lose a whole crop because of that. Pack everything down and close it up.